You can listen to this track with your eyes open or closed, simply listening or repeating the words to yourself, using positive affirmations until your state matches the words, and gradually feel calm and inner strength.
In about 30 minutes, I will be laying down to rest. The very second my head finds the comfort of my pillow, I will drift into a profound and deeply refreshing sleep. It will last all through the night until the break of dawn. Right now, every cell and every system in my body is beginning to prepare for this necessary voyage into silence. I am becoming filled with an unshakable, solid sense of inner peace. Every single muscle in my face has already begun to soften. My features are becoming smooth. My mind is growing quiet. Throughout my entire body, every nerve and every muscle fiber is settling into a state of permanent calm. I can feel the tension draining away as my muscles let go of the day. Every nerve is being soothed by a wave of tranquility. I am becoming saturated with a serene, boundless quiet. The relaxation in my face is deepening. It is smoothing out every line and every worry. I am becoming completely still. Throughout my body, the nerves and muscles are finding their anchor in peace. My entire organism is now in perfect alignment. I am preparing for a night of deep, refreshing slumber. Throughout the entire night, from this moment until the early morning, I will remain in a state of consistently deep, incredibly strong, and healthy sleep. My rest will be unwavering and absolute. All the firing neurons in my brain have slowed down and found their quiet center. I have reached a state of total inner stillness. The external world and all its noise are starting to disappear for me. I am intentionally disconnecting from everything outside of this room. I am being filled with the heavy, wonderful weight of deep peace and impending sleep. When I lay my head down, I will return to that innocent, carefree sleep I knew as a child. The very second I touch my pillow, I will fall into a blissful, childlike rest. Throughout the entire night until the very break of day, I will be enveloped in a sleep that is equally deep and equally strong. My muscles remain in a state of profound relaxation. From the beginning of the night until the end, they are completely at ease. I am so deeply relaxed that I feel no need to move, not even to wiggle a single finger. I will fall asleep, resting comfortably on my back. And tomorrow morning, I will wake up in that exact same position, still on my back. All through the night, I will remain perfectly still and peaceful. I find a deep sense of pleasure in sleeping on my back. For me, this is the most natural and the most beneficial way to rest. In this position, the natural weight of my body does not press upon my internal organs. My entire system can live a quiet, absolutely tranquil life. During this night of sleep, my whole body is rebuilding its strength. My entire organism is finding deep rest and renewal. In the morning, I will wake up as a joyful, vibrant person, overflowing with vigor and fresh energy. My awakening will be light, swift, and natural. My eyes will open with ease, and I will feel a sudden surge of clarity. I will greet the new day in a cheerful mood, feeling physically and mentally magnificent. But for now, I remain in a deep, sturdy, and serene sleep. At this very moment, I am being filled with an absolute, blissful, and total sense of peace. Every muscle in my face has reached a state of deep, heavy relaxation. My mind has become completely still, with a sense of quiet grace, peacefully, calmly, absolutely. I am drifting into a sturdy and profound sleep. Right now, my entire organism is becoming more and more settled. My whole being is finalizing its preparation for the great depths of the night. Every muscle in my body is relaxing and preparing to sleep. The muscles of my face are now profoundly soft and smooth. I have reached a state of total tranquility. Within me, everything is as still as the mirror-like surface of a silent lake. I am absolutely calm through and through. Every nerve and every muscle is anchored in peace. My entire body is being overtaken by this solid stillness. I am submerging myself into a vast sea of deep, powerful slumber. Sleep is approaching me from every direction. Like a gentle tide, sleep is surrounding me, pulling me in. I am sinking deeper and deeper into the ocean of sturdy, healthy sleep. My eyelids are growing heavy and are beginning to stick together. It is becoming a challenge to keep my eyes open any longer. They are closing on their own. I am falling into a deep slumber. I am switching off the lights of the external world. The world outside has ceased to exist for me. I am entirely still. While I sleep, my body is accumulating young, vital life forces. My entire being is storing up youthful, vibrant energy. My heart has slowed to a calm, sleeping rhythm. All the muscles of my body have relaxed and are now asleep. I am going deeper and deeper into the sea of rest. I am falling into a deep, deep sleep.